I just killed a man, she's my alibi.
What you see behind me is a literal masterpiece. Yes, we're skipping hello and hi because this is worthy of it, okay? Oh, it's weird. It's not opening. See, it's not opening, guys. I swear it kept opening earlier, but like, whatever. We don't need doors. Basically, I should just click on it and it would open, but yeah. That was always the inside, and honestly, it was like that for a long time until I had my little ladder system and I built up here or whatever. I just added on this and this and this and this and this and this. So, yay! I think it's about time I set sail, you know? I actually had one of my friends playing here so they could shoot the thing. The person next to me is literally crazy. Anyways, wait. Yes. I want to check it out when I'm still sailing on sea. Oh. Oh, you guys were still watching. I'm so sorry, guys. Bro, I'm fighting it. Like, why? Oh my gosh. But is my boat really pretty? It should be. um, yeah. Also, if you did not see my first video, this is my second long form video. So you can go check out the one that I just posted before this one. I just checked the bottom and it's honestly doing pretty good, surprisingly. But I still gotta stay up here because I don't want to risk anything. Also, this isn't a boat, this is my house. This is the worst part because of the snowflakes and the snowflakes. The snowflakes, because it just literally almost took my whole ship. If the snowflake doesn't move, we're all dead. What? Move. I don't want to die. Okay, we're good. This one is also really hard because you have to avoid the rocks. Oh! See, because it just exploded. Oh, I'm gonna die. Actually, I'm not gonna die, so. What the? A pink block just fell. What the heck? We're almost there. There's only this one and the one after it. Why is it turning me backwards? Fine. The voice is being louder. Anyways, it's time. My boat! I gotta make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it, guys. I thought I could make it. Oh? Oh, I can't make it. Yay. Come on, guys. Be jealous. Also, if you hear something in the background, don't worry. Yay. Oh. Also, this game is called Build a Boat with Blocks. It is super fun. Play with friends. Bye.